Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Litchfield County in northern Connecticut until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Norfolk to near Winston to near Torrington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Norfolk, Moorville, North Kilbrook, Riverton, Kelly Corner, Millbrook, New Hartford, Beach Rock, Leadville, Robertsville, Winsted, New Hartford Center, Barkhamsted, Turkey Cobble, East Green, North Goshen,